I use Linux on 2 devices every single day, and I use them in completely different ways. On one of them, I'm always constantly tinkering with every single little setting and dot file, and on the other, I've never even opened the terminal. That device where I've never opened the terminal is the Steam Deck. And honestly, I haven't had to. Everything just works perfectly out of the box. Honestly, I think Valve made the best portable gaming console ever, and I used to play on the DS and Game Boy when I was a kid. Like when I'm using the Steam Deck, I don't even think about the fact that I'm using the same exact operating system that I use on my laptop. I mean, not exactly the same, but SteamOS is based off of Arch Linux, which is what I run on my laptop. They've customized this thing so perfectly that I can just hop in for like 20 minutes, play some Megabonk, play some Rocket League, and then just put it down. And when I pick it up tomorrow, I'm right where I left off. And the best part is, I don't have to worry about my Steam hours getting bloated because of this thing. But even though I've never touched a terminal on this thing and I never really changed any of the settings, I love that I could if I wanted to. If I wanted to, I could completely wipe SteamOS off this device. I could use Windows. I could use a completely different Linux distro. Unlike the Nintendo Switch, which I bought like way back in 2016, this actually feels like it's my device. Now, if you compare the Steam Deck to my Framework laptop, if you're not familiar with the Framework laptop, these laptops are so great because you can switch out the screen, you can switch out the RAM, the SSD, you can switch out the entire CPU and motherboard if you want. It's completely upgradable and completely replaceable. That's the same kind of philosophy that I like when it comes to my software. I'm always on the terminal, always like editing some dot files, always just trying to make something better in my computer. And to give you an example, there's this little light right here. Hopefully you can see that. So although on the camera, that little light is probably not very bright, at night when you're just like sitting in bed trying to code or whatever, that light is extremely bright. I mean, I turn my laptop brightness all the way down and I feel like that light is just a flashlight in my eyes. So I tried figuring out if there's a way to turn it off. And luckily Framework does offer like a little toolkit that allows you to turn it off. But I didn't want to have to type in these commands every single time. So what I did is I wrote a little script and I'll throw it up right here. So basically in the script, what I'm doing is I'm writing to a file whether or not the light is on. And if it is, it turns it off. If it's not, it turns it on. I also made a systemd process, so every time my computer turns on, it turns the light off automatically just because it pissed me off that much. And so here it is in action. So in Hyperland, I have this binded to super power off. So you can see the light is on right now. If I click this, light turns off. I click it again, light turns on. It's little things like that where I can customize the way my computer works that just makes me fall in love with Linux. And honestly, Valve did such a good job that I've never even had to do anything on the Steam Deck. Like I've never really ran into anything that I want to change. The most I've really done is download a couple emulators on here, Heroic Games Launcher so I can play some epic games. I just play games using SteamOS and it's been an amazing experience. And that's what I think is so great about Linux. Linux is not this like one singular operating system that rules us all like Windows or Mac OS is. Linux is like a family of operating systems. And what's great is if I wanted to take this exact same setup that I have on my laptop here and use it on my Steam Deck, I could literally just install Arch Linux on my Steam Deck, take all the dot files on my laptop and just move them over to my Steam Deck through GitHub. And that's it, it's that easy. And that's the power of Linux. And that's what's so great. Like it's an operating system that your grandma could use. You could give her some Ubuntu or Linux Mint and they'll never even have to figure out how to use a terminal. Linux is not just an operating system, it's digital freedom. My name is Slacks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and I hope you have a great day.